What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we will do a price prediction and mainly a price analysis on EGLD or Elrond, which has been steadily going up actually. I mean it might look like a huge bull run, but here you can see in the last 7 days just a steady uptrend, and even in the last month you can already see that here a small uptrend started, and that really from the 19th of November a very steep uptrend, maybe you can call it a bull run, has started. So I thought it would be interesting to take a look at Elrond, see what it's doing, and maybe see where it could possibly go, because I do think that Elrond can go a little bit higher than where it is right now. Obviously it's at a 10 billion market cap, that's not nothing, and Elrond is a good project. It's fast, it has a lot of things incorporated into its project, like fintech, decentralized finance, Internet of Things, and it's fast with that. So fundamentally it's a good project, and that's why I think it could go a little bit higher. But still 10 billion is a lot, and this is quite a big bull run, so it might need to cool down a little bit. Here you can see that the all-time high of 544 has been reached. In my opinion, we are going down a little bit. I think, and you should know that this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion based on technical analysis. In my opinion, this 450 level looks quite strong as a support, so I think that will hold. I mean, ultimately the wick of the candle might shoot all the way down to 425, but I really think that's the last support. I don't see it going any lower, except for when we have a huge fundamental bearish move, but I do not expect that. I think we have had that already in November. So yeah, I do think it could drop a little bit lower. It might find resistance here at 488, but I don't think that's enough. But just know that it might. If a huge bull run comes from 488, yeah, just know that it's more bullish than I thought. But I think it will drop down to 450, and it might need to test that 450 level once, twice, or 3 times before ultimately I think Elrond can go up again. And obviously it won't be in such a straight line. Might be something like this, finding resistance at the all-time high, at the fib, and then ultimately I think the next real resistance area would be around 600, just because of the fib and the 600 and this fib. If this is the local top, you also have the minus 0.236, and the 600 level is just a psychological resistance area. So I think that's the next resistance. Having said that, I don't necessarily mean that from here we will see a huge pullback, just that price will have some struggle to get through this, if it manages to get through it at all. So yeah, I think this is the most likely scenario. Obviously, because such a bull run has happened, we might also see something like this, that it consolidates a little bit longer, maybe something like this. That could happen as well, but I just think that because it's this bullish, and what is this, like this bull run was 60%. I really think it, with this bullish crypto market, obviously we can do more than 60%, I think. So yeah, that's it. And I also wanted to show you that when a price does do what I said it would do, so with crypto it's difficult precisely predicting it, but then a fib like this would form, and that would place the 1.618 at the 600 level as well. So that would just be another confirmation, both of price finding support right here, in my opinion, but that's a little bit difficult to explain right now, and also that the next resistance would be around 600. So yeah, that's basically my price prediction and price analysis and my opinion on Elrond for the upcoming days and weeks, I think. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to explain it a little bit more if you need that. So yeah, again, this is not financial advice, just my opinion based on technical analysis. And thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!